to the intent. So if I just come to answer Mike's question about the palm strike, and I think it's really important that when you could see Mike's palm strike and he was delivering it, that it was kind of coming on edge on here with the hand. It's not as if we're kind of hitting, slapping here. What we actually want to be doing is when we're striking with the palm is coming through this heel here. And that will give me quite a bit of oomph. It will give me a bit of oomph to just power out and just get that little twist. It's not so much that you're shaking the hand or waving it. So that twist is driving this bit into the target. The next thing is then the footwork, because the footwork is really, really essential to, because, you know, there's my target, I've got my distance, whoa, 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 chill out, dude. If I just go for, I'm not going to reach it, so I still need this little push off the back foot to cover that ground. And I'm driving the, not so much that, because even when you do a pound and wave, your hand wants to be cupped. So slightly cupped, push from the back foot and driving it through and out into the target. So if you now look at that, and I'll bring that camera in a little bit closer as I show you. Yes, you can work in a straight line. You can go bang, bang, bang. But what you'll see there, let me see if I can show you this. So as I now move into strike here, so you can't see the hand, strike, strike, strike. So even then the foot is still pushing me through. And when I do this, it's not as if I'm coming in here like with a Superman punch or whatever it is that I'm trying to do. I just want a short push forward, strike. Now I've got that ground, the next move in. Now I've switched hands there, but you know, you can lead in. One, palm, reverse. Let's see if I can get that angle a little bit better so you can see the hands and the feet. So from here now, knife edge, palm strike, reverse. And you can see that I'm still driving it with the feet. Yes, the arm is being used there, but as I said, it's the limb that you're striking with combined with the feet. So even when I'm kicking, if I'm kicking with my right leg, it's also about what the left leg does to allow that kick. And then the last one is in the mind. And then think about how you're moving around this target. Don't forget good old blanket, because that's going to be your replacement punch bag if you haven't got a punch bag. That thing. As I strike that thing and I move and I go, one, move, two, move. This time I'm going to come back, and using different hands will allow you to access different moves. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. You know, and it doesn't have to be open hand techniques. It can be different things that, but again, I'm still moving the feet to drive the punch. And this is where I wouldn't say people go wrong, but we get into this habit of boom, 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 boom. And there's going to come a point when that's not going to be enough. So I need to work on a little sequence, palm strike, knife edge. See the move there, even before I've delivered it. Coming back, reverse palm. Moving there and back again, moving through the angles. Coming back to the punch bag. And the punch bag is lovely because it does give you that feedback. And feedback is very, very important. And you're linking your techniques together. So think about how that knife edge comes out, palm strike comes out, and you can just see the foot moving as I'm doing it. I'm not just doing that. I go move, palm, boom. And then we can switch it up, so we can look at doing lead, 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 switch, lead, lead, lead. If that makes sense. So I can start off from here, backhand, 1, 2, sorry, leading hand, knife edge, palm strike, reverse palm, then switch over to the backhand, 1, 2, 3. That's now switched to the next stance. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. The technique. And when I'm moving, so for instance, if I take stance now, and I'm facing the camera is my opponent, and I go, chill out, Mr. Camera, the camera is going to try and outflank me. They might well come in with a punch, try to smash through here. That's where I'll just turn and shift. However, in a kind of I'm really angry and upset kind of situation, posturing, gesticulating, egging on, building up a bravado, pumping yourself up because you want to be angry. And then I just need to stay calm, centered, and as they're pacing up and down, left hand at the moment is the leading hand, and then as I'm tracking, now the right hand's become the leading hand with the least effort possible. None of this, don't need to switch stance. All I need to do is track and move and flow. And that is your initial turn at the beginning and before. And then as we're moving, pop a knife edge at the end. Move, pop a knife edge at the end. Flow, reverse palm, palm strike, knife edge, flow. There's an elbow strike coming out to the reverse palm. And let things follow on. Elbows open up to reverse palms, lovely. Knife edge close into elbows really nicely. An elbow followed on with a shoulder charge really quite nicely. And this is one of the things that I was going to talk to you in the distance too lower. Change your stance. Knife edge. Palm strike. Reverse palm. Front snap kick. Side snap kick. Little combination. Very nice little combo. For me, I find it relatively simple. It's one of those that I'm constantly practicing, if you like. But use your footwork to help deliver your kicks. So let's say now I'm going to open up with a leading hand, knife edge, leading leg, front snap kick, and then the weight comes in with an Don't worry, guys. Fine. Don't call an ambulance. So, you know, from here, palm strike, lead. Where's the weight going to shift now from here? Once I've opened up with this strike, where's it going? 1, am I slipping? There he's coming in, he's throwing a punch. I've checked him with my leading leg, pairing kick, drop the weight in, and bring an elbow in. What are we hoping to achieve with our technique? And again, to come back to the blanket, and I like the blanket because you can hang it in the middle of the room. And, you know, I had mine hung up last night from the ceiling with a drawing pin. And what it does is it really allows you to access and work around these angles with it. So when I'm now moving out here, and I'm coming in with, for instance, a knife edge, 1, which I then switch to a palm strike, 2. See how I'm moving, reverse palm, front snap kick, rear snap kick, strike. Working around the little bag or whatever, because it doesn't have to be a blanket. And as I've said, you can make these, you can put a weight in the end of this. 10 of beans tied up in the end of this will really change what's going on. Although you probably won't be able to hang it up from the ceiling. So think, move. Let's switch between palm strike, leading leg down. Palm strike, leading leg down. Turn. Now I used to whip and branch there in a nice tight space. Move, 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 strike, coordinate, bang. And try not to be too swingy. So, you know, it's like if that's moving, I've set it off on a movement here. I don't want to be catching it on the forearm. I mean, even though you can strike with the forearm, but, you know, bring it into a knife edge. Think about how you're moving. Switch, kick, kick. Way down it comes.